Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Mwaka, the Wifeprenuer. If you're new here, thank you so much guys for stopping by. So welcome to another, I don't know what we're gonna call it. It's a chit chat update. I don't, whatever it is. It can't be story time either, so it's just a little update that I just want to share with you guys. I don't know if you remember, a week ago there's a vlog that I shared with you, me going to the doctor, and I didn't say much in that video why I went to the doctor, but the whole idea was I was going to get my implant removed, and this is about a week, exactly a week, and this is how we look. It was taken out, and that is the wound that we have right there. Nothing scary. So for those that do not know what this implant is, an implant is a form of whereby they insert a small stick like plastic, almost this side. It's not big. If you know a matchstick, that's how big it is. It's a whitish plastic that releases some progesterone, a hormone that prevents ovulation. So basically I put the stick on about 2 years ago. It has been 2.5 years. I got mine in Capcut Central. So if you're in Namibia, it's free almost everywhere. There are certain clinics where you can go and get it. It usually lasts about 3 years, but I couldn't go over to 3 years. But 3 years was just going to be next year, July. But I couldn't take it because of the side effects, which was adding, it was making me depressed, anxieties, and mostly spotting. I mean, like, you have these semi-little periods, menstruation periods, that comes almost anytime. Expected, unexpected. So all the time you need to have like a pen liner in your handbag. You need like have a pen liner in your desk wherever you are, because it can come anytime. And I was just getting tired of it. It was messing up with my underwear, so I didn't want it anymore. But mostly the depression as well, so I had to go and take it off. Actually, you might wonder why I stayed longer, over 2 years, because I saw these things. When you put this thing, it works like almost immediately. 2-3 days you start seeing already. And the same happened when I removed. I started noticing the difference almost immediately, like a day or two. The spotting completely stopped. Up to now, it's been what, 2 weeks now? Yeah, 2 weeks if I saw. So you may wonder why I still had it on the whole time. It's because, guys, I don't like this thing of going and get injected. So I thought that was like a permanent solution. Then I don't get to be going up and down, getting the injection, birth control. So that's why I was stuck. I was like, let me just deal with this thing. But yeah, my husband has been against it from the start. But I mean, when we just started observing the symptoms or the side effects, he was like, this is not good for you, because it was also getting to him is my mood swings and my depressions. One day I just want to stay in bed, I don't want to talk to anybody. So he saw all these side effects and like, we need to work on it. But now I'm not sure. So I'll insert a clip of what happened at the doctor's. A disclaimer: if it's not as bad, it's not like close-up graphics, but you can just have an idea of how it works if you want to get if you want to get it removed or get it inserted. But unfortunately, I didn't record when I inserted it, but it was just when I got it removed. And you'll see in the video, it's just a process that takes about 5 minutes, then you're done. So if you're interested, continue watching and see the process. It's not as bad, no much blood. It isn't bad, really. Let me know in the comments what type of birth control that you use, and also if you had an implant before, what was your experience? I was dying.
Okay.
You know why I decided to stick to this thing? And that's why I didn't want to continue with the, what do you call it? The one for 2 months.
Clean the place very well. And then inject a small local anesthesia. Seems that too. There's only one. You can see. Just with another needle, put just under here. It's finished. And on the top, put a small lignocaine. A small incision. It's paining?
Yes.
Paining a bit, huh? Yeah, it's not a big problem. Remove now. You can see it.
My eyes are not even open.
Mm-hmm.
My eyes are not even open.
Seriously?
I don't want to see it.
Yeah. Just here. Here it is. Here it is. You can use the same needle to remove it.
It's out.
See ya. The small method taking less than 5 minutes. It's finished.
Can I see it again?
It's here. This is your implant. It's here.
Okay.
A small dressing to close and finito.
It didn't even take more than, yeah. But it doesn't look like a metal, is it?
It's a small plastic which is having the omo inside.
Morning.
How are you? Sorry.
How are you?
This patient that you referred?
I can call the ambulance. Let me write.
What do you suggest I should use next?